So I want everybody, you don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to another episode of the Imara Nation podcast. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? In studios we have today one of the most known Jamaican comedians that really highlights the culture in a positive light, taking it to places it's never been. The one and only, ladies and gentlemen, White Yardie.
You mean, brother?
We not have no crowd.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So first of all, brother, manners forward in. You understand? We appreciate the energy, we appreciate the strength. You see me? But for the people them on my socials, you see me? We have to get them familiar.
For sure.
To who is White Yardie. So you mind doing that as father? Who is White Yardie?
I don't have a problem with that, man. White Yardie, comedian, you know, from Jamaica, St. Elizabeth Black River. Been doing comedy now for 10 years. Started doing social media like 11 years. And you know, we do this from when Instagram just started do videos. You know what I mean? So we did it from early foundation. I do them thing, them man. But yeah, you know, we are tour and do shows all over the world and keep pushing the Jamaican culture, wave the flag everywhere we go, you know, representing fully, you understand what I mean? So yeah, man, comedian, if you don't know, get to know, you might have seen the videos. If you never see the videos, I guarantee your mother or your grandmother might have seen them, or your father, somebody in your family that see them. Like, yeah, man, see, look a red skin boy. You see your video them all the while. Yeah, so me that White Yardie.
Yeah, man, that's White Yardie. And as I said, brother, you push the culture heavy. Because you're well traveled.
Yeah.
When you do the stand up and hosting gigs and all over, I see you here, I see you there. Do we have few other places you've been to as a Jamaican comedian where somebody would have say, "Oh, damn, you've been there"?
Yeah, Dubai.
Damn, you've been there?
Yeah, man, we got Dubai already. You know, we perform in Dubai, Turkey.
Wow.
You know, all over Europe, all over the UK we perform. Different places of UK. Canada as well.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like I've had like 3 successful tours in Canada.
Ooh. So like city to city?
Yeah, man. Like the last one we did was the biggest one. We did 16 shows across Canada.
Wow.
You know what I mean? And all of them sold out, and that was a blessing. You know what I mean? So I always have a lot of love for Canada because Canada is a place where it's very multicultural as well. And them one thing with them embrace everybody's culture.
Okay.
Them look up to you, not different, or look down upon you, no way. Them actually embrace. You will find that there's a lot of fusion restaurants there, you know.
Okay.
You will have Chinese, West Indian restaurants together. You
Some
know.
people that come together.
Yeah, bro, and a place nice, man. So we got them place like that, you know. And then there's places in the Caribbean as well, you know, Bermuda, Cayman Islands. You know, we got a couple of the Virgin Islands them as well, and Belize as well.
Belize,
yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. We get enough experience, man.
You say you touch almost every Caribbean country yet?
Not yet, no, man. Enough up on the radar where need to happen because them should have happened, but through COVID, it kind of slow down, so things get pushed back, obviously. You understand what I mean? So we kind of know the 3 years in a way behind where we should have done forward. You understand? So yeah, man, like there's enough place. Trinidad, we need to get to Barbados, Guyana. You understand? Even though Guyana, them say are not really a Caribbean island, but them embrace the Caribbean culture. Cause you know, say Guyana in South America, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, but them are one away. And them know them are one away too.
Yeah.
Even though them come under the South America, you are one away.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So you know, there's enough other Caribbean. Definitely Guyana, Trinidad are 2 on the radar. Grenada as well. So yeah, man, enough listed there.
Alright, so there's more work to do.
Yeah, man.
So
continue it.
we are gonna just reel back. You understand what I said? And we are go back to the early stages of White Yardie. Yesterday I found from St. Elizabeth. How was life growing up for a white Jamaican in Jamaica? And then this is probably the 100th time ever you ask that.
Yeah, no, me don't mind though. I don't mind because every time you get asked, you have to understand, you know, somebody like you're in a different generation, so your audience will be different.
Yeah.
There'll be people who know you but don't know me, and there's people who know me don't know you. And just so it work, you know what I mean? And there's people who don't really know the story because they don't take time to check it out. You understand me? So I don't mind being asked them thing there. You understand what I mean? And first thing first, I'm just put this out there. You can't go in the comments and put a bag of why white. You know why white on this podcast. Yeah. We are grown men. We don't have time for the foolishness.
No kids thing.
Yeah, none of that. So when you ask me that, I like that question because I tell you what, people always have this stereotype of white Jamaicans or white people in Jamaica that they come from uptown.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Them kids go private school. You know what I mean? Them have all of this luxury in life. You know what I mean? And that's based upon what they see. Especially in Kingston, we know uptown. Enough for them live in a certain areas and things like that. Country I come from, me live a country, so me not go through them the thing there. Me never have no luxury like that. You understand what I mean? Nobody in my area never treat me no different. You understand? From nobody else. Me still get on the same bus them, small up on yourself, but they little to some, I have to lap up.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean? You imagine as a teenager you go to school and a man I tell you, say, yo, sit down on somebody lap. I say, but they're high school now, big man. I left that in a primary.
Yes, and
a man say, you're small, go up on the woman lap. Remember one day, no man, I swear, remember it, now me talk about it. Remember one day, I say, nah, take it, I say, make your woman come on my lap.
Yeah.
I say, when this fluffy woman sit down on my lap, my begs. Because I couldn't feel my foot them no more, so I reach and I stop. I have to come out there, so I taxi. But yo,
Foot them dead.
couldn't feel them.
Foot them feel like TV static.
Them not move, them not work.
Now I feel static around
Tell you, man. But the tired lap up thing, man. You know what I mean? Hey, I get a taxi already, man. Them send you around a trunk, you know, man. Yeah, man, them say a small one around a trunk, man. I said, watch out.
Damn, trunk.
I remember when you're at school as your fee are some small fee to you. Them time you had $10, $15, we are talking about as taxi, you know what I mean? So, you know, when you have big people that come in and them pay for them 40, man, they want to give them seat. So, you know, but yeah, so, I never get treated no different, man. I go to school, get beaten in a school, same way. Teacher beat me if me do wrong. And I not get like, oh, him white, him now get beaten. And where me come from in St. Elizabeth, you know, you have to remember, you know. St. Elizabeth have a whole heap of red-skinned people down there. You understand? It's almost like if you're black, you stand out down there, so.
Wow.
Don't real talk. When we go to school, you know, you have.
So what's the history behind that though?
I just think it's over years, isn't it? Like things where you know, like we know Jamaica from. Alright, so even when we talk about things on stage, sometimes I talk about going to school in Jamaica. When they are in England, I tell people a joke about when they are at school, and I say it's crazy because in foreign, Black history is 1 month. I say, yo, when I go to school and I learn in a history lesson, every day I learn Black history.
True.
Because I learn Jamaican history.
Yes.
That's what I'm learning.
Yeah.
So sometimes you look at me as a white man, I'm in a class with more darker skinned Jamaicans than me, and them talk about slavery and that. Everybody look at me like, yo, yeah, they are your people, them, they do them something. And I say, nah, man, I know my people, them, they kill them too. You understand what I mean? Because you have to look at, so yeah, so, you know what I mean, like, I don't know if it's because of, them say the red dirt, because we have a whole heap of red dirt down there.
Word.
Like, proper, you know, red dirt, they everywhere down there, so them say I rub off on with skin down there and make we red, so. Yeah,
Okay, so, I like that still, but you said something where it kind of made me think, because you said, and I've witnessed this in Jamaica, it's not so much how you look, because people now are treated differently based on how you look. Some people might treat you different based on your social status for sure, but when it comes to looks, especially being of a different race, do you, well, no, I know you see it. It's a clear difference between Jamaica. I've never been to England, but how do white people in America or England perceive you when them hear your dialect, because this is foreign, like what's going on here?
They're taking back, but at the same time it's not even just white people. You have black British people who them even look at it, but you see what it is, you see with me, I know this is going to happen throughout my, especially if I go start do this thing and put myself out to the public, I expect criticism wherever I go. You understand what I mean? And some of my key things when I always hear, some of the standout things is always like, yo, this guy is culture vulture and everything like that. So
I hate hearing that.
I hate it because the end of the day is how me is a culture vulture when me attack from a culture where grew me.
Exactly.
That don't make no sense.
Exactly.
It's different if me say, yo, alright, I'm 20, I got Jamaica go live now. I live at Jamaica for 5 years. Then all of a sudden I say I'm a Jamaican. That's different. But if I tell you from me a baby to a big man, that are the culture we know, that are we grew up on, that are the foundations. I go school, every level of everything I have done up until I was 18 was everything we know at Jamaica. When I moved to England, it was the same thing. They're around Jamaicans. My friend them are Jamaicans. Up to this day, majority of my friend them are Jamaicans. I have different friends in England become there for a while, but so I go stay true to my culture. You understand what I mean? So it does shock. Some people are shocked and intrigued, and them ask a question. But there's ways how you ask a question. So if when people come to me and say, "Oh, sorry, yo, how come you speak like that?" Then that's cool. Me explain. When people come to you like, why do you speak like that?
Condescending. Like.
What do you mean, why do I speak like that? Is something wrong with it? Or why you trying to talk like this? Why you trying like you're not asking, you're now making your answer in your head already. Say, yo, you may try to do this, try to do that. So it does have that, have that fight. I have people who don't like it. I have people who say, yo, he only get these opportunities or he only getting this because he's white. That's not the case. Because in the idea, like, look how much people there are Jamaica. Right? And people always me hear things like him not even funny, you just kind of have a Jamaican accent. Brother, like, you know how much people have Jamaican accent and can't do comedy? They understand go up on stage. You think just go up on stage and talk in a Jamaican accent funny? Look at me a reason now, well, a good reason now. I bet nobody know that. Because they might hear a reasoning. You understand? So it is one of them ones where it's like a pro and con to it, because even sometimes me have phone people for like book venues and things like that, and it can be a bit of an issue because when them hear the accent, or sometimes I try to style it, and you know if you do the code switch thing where your accent switch will be like, I'd like to book your venue today. Yes, oh yeah, and then them, straight away them can hear say, what kind of audience are you bringing? And it's like, can you send me some links for previous shows? So it's like them not judge you already based on how you sound. You understand? So me not really get no further because of me white. Me still have to put in the work.
That is true. Because even you know, for white, if you have a lighter skin, I mean, to a level, it does bring benefits. It does bring benefits, but I don't feel like that is the main reason why people like you and like other people in your field, people have the same background, same like type of timing when you depend. It's not so much the complexion. You have to put in the work. You have to put in the work, and I keep telling people, you can't use this culture vulture thing either. Because, alright, me grew up in a high school in Jamaica, and I've seen everybody there.
So in a high school you grew up? You never live nowhere?
I mean, I'm going to high school in Jamaica. Thanks for the correction. When I got high school,
he grew up in a high school. The first day of school, his parents bring him and left him there. Don't come home. Man never know say he could have go back home.
Why do I stay like this? When I want to cover the show? Hey, this time I cut them on reels. No, but big man thing. When I got school, when I got high school, I see everybody there, right? We see Chinese people, we see Japanese people, German, Indian, everybody there, you know? So the culture vulture thing, how dare you? When you don't know this person, you don't know this person's background, you don't know the brat ups, you don't know nothing, but because them see the skin color and ear you know who's a culture vulture? Chet Hanks.
Facts.
Right?
No, one thing when people even associate with him.
But pre this. Alright. Jamaican we say a white person do the most basic thing. And him get the biggest cheer.
Facts.
Him just do the basic thing. Facts. A black Jamaican, you have to be Superman.
But here, I check the levels. You check the levels. And this is what I go for sure. This is what go back to me now when you ask about it, and I try to show you. So I have to put in the work, because what it is, the more it go on, people realize say, yo, him a no gimmick. You see, if me is a gimmick, you see, I tell you this right now. You see, if I was a gimmick like Tom Hanks' son, brother, they're far down with me there right now.
I believe so.
Because everybody that call me in for studio, this studio, that, and sit down with me, and then they go in there and be like, yeah, so, I'll be them foreign talk there, and they be like, okay, so you're gonna switch on the accent when you go on. I'm like, yeah, man, I'm gonna do that. But true, it's real, I have to put in the work, because me still get the same fight. Do you understand what I mean? So yeah, man, at that time, that was a good example. So when people always associate me with him, Sometimes when
Yeah,
people
that's insulting,
I say,
man.
yo, don't insult me.
Yeah, that
do
is-
not insult
that
me,
is
man.
insulting.
Yeah, man, don't do that.
You know, I'm see Chet answer, I see how Jamaicans are real and a go on theme. Then 2-2, we see the G do an interview, and the girl ask him if him feel like I put Patu up on the map. And
Brother!
And him bold enough, he said, yeah, I think so. I feel like.
Yo, brother!
I'm like, bro, shut up, bro. What are you talking about?
When me say people tag me in that, you know, people, that I think
What you talking about?
people tag me in that, and me nothing but just entertain it because me I say, yo, me not time for this foolishness because this man, and this is what me try to show you, this man, look what he might do.
Yeah.
Look, them something that insulting.
It is.
It
I
them
agree.
insulting, and he might go on like people like Sean Paul and them man and I tour the world long time and
Exactly.
Come on, man.
Exactly.
You see him Bolt. Like this is very disrespectful.
It is.
But guess what? Jamaicans allow him to do it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You understand what I mean? Because right now, him should get cancer from the Jamaican people.
I agree, especially after the interview.
Come on, man, boy.
I mean, it's cool to imitate it. You understand?
Yeah,
Because
no wrong.
I do American accents.
Yeah.
I do various accents. So it's not like it's I'm being
No.
disrespectful.
You know what it is, Negus? There's a difference between appreciating and showing appreciation for the culture.
Ooh.
And
Say that again.
There's a difference between showing appreciation for somebody's culture,
Yeah.
and there's nothing wrong with you embracing somebody else's
Yep.
culture. There's no problem with that. When a carnival time, everybody allowed to come carnival. Put on your colors, you wherever country you want to come out dress as. Come out. You don't have to be from. If you want to put on a Jamaican flag and wave it on carnival day, you can't do it because you're embracing a culture that
Yeah.
you see.
Yeah.
It's when you start to do things and act like what you say, like him. I say, yeah, man, me bring Patu up and make Patu know, people know about Patu now
right.
because of me and Ray this, and you know, you have some people where start make it seem as if they are actually from the culture and trying to take ownership of the culture. That's when no, that's wrong.
Yeah.
That's wrong.
So all right, you get certain looks and certain questions from like you said black English folks,
Yeah.
white folks as well. Jamaicans treat you any way?
But that I think I'm trying to show you.
No, like now, not like back in the days. Like,
No. Jamaicans, no man. Like you see, Jamaicans, them know. There's certain things where you just cannot. Look, brother. Like for me, fake something. 10 years now, me I do comedy. Yeah. For me, fake something for so long. They tell me say one person out there no hate me when know me before the 10 years.
I'd say, yo, no, I know this guy. See that?
Yeah.
All right.
Me and him used to go school in this white district and
Yeah.
you know, come on. So but Jamaican people know, like when they, like don't get me wrong, you still have some Jamaicans who like it depends on the generation as well, because you have to understand social media now, a lot of people have access to it. But you have to think about an earlier generation who moved to foreign, different places of foreign before, and then some people never really go all around Jamaica. Because don't get me wrong, you know, like you don't go see as many white Jamaicans, you're not gonna see as many Chinese Jamaicans, but they're there and people know about them.
Yeah.
But there's also a set of people that don't know. So sometimes when they see it, it's still a bit surprising. Like, where Jamaica you come from? Yeah man, which part?
Yeah.
Which sentence where you come from? Though, that's why you're red like. So you know what I mean? So there's Jamaicans that I don't get so much.
Yeah.
To be honest, the percentage is very low.
I think I don't doubt nothing we say, because one thing we realize with Jamaican, if we claim you, if you are one away, we claim you and we'll fight for you.
Yeah, man.
Because we defend white Jamaicans so much, even white Chinese, so much over the internet. When people who are not familiar with the culture think that these people are appropriating the culture, when in actuality they are from the culture. Isn't it?
It's lack of education.
Because I did this, I have this white friend, right? And we did a skit together. And I'm like, first day dating a white girl, right? And then, like the third week, I'm transforming on a white man. I start talking white and say, damn, oh yeah, you know? And then the people that must say, yo, do it in the reverse.
Yeah.
Like, make her date a Jamaican.
Yeah.
And then the third week,
Yeah.
she have locks and she start bust shot. Boop, boop, boop. Did you know that black Americans try to cancel me for that?
Brother,
I'm talking about thousands of videos.
But that's what them do, like that. Like, they need to stop that as well. Like embrace everybody. You have to understand. Everybody culture is different. You understand? You have to look at it like that. Remember in Jamaica, even it's so cliche when you say things, but the motto alone, out of many one.
Yeah.
You get me? Out of many one people, that alone tell you. Not only that, if you even know the history of Jamaica, you will know that Jamaican, like, nobody is from there.
Yeah.
Whoever's there, no, like, more the Indians are from there than us. So when you see Indian Jamaicans, they are probably the most authentic you're gonna get, more than anybody else. Because we all were brought there from different places. You understand what I mean? And it's just over years of history of it happening. Like sometimes you break down things and it's like even you start telling about the heroes and back then. Cause remember them things them grew up on Paul Bogle and George William Gordon. When I tell people say, yo, George William Gordon is a white man, but he's also a national hero. Why is that? Because he did something to make a change in the country. So there's history going all the way back to everything. Yeah, man. So.
That's good.